Hello student, the question on the calendar. The question said if the today is a Monday, day after 61 days. So in a 1 week, 7 days are there. So we divide this 61 by 7. So 7 8 is a 56. So the remainder is 5, means after Monday, fifth day is after Monday is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So the Saturday is the 61st day, or you can do like that 7 after 61, next is 63. So 7 nines are 63. So we are going back 2 days, going back before Monday. 2 days going back means Monday, before that is Sunday, and before that is Saturday. So the in both the way you can calculate the answer. So the Saturday is the answer for this question. In this type of the question, maybe they changes the values or number of days, maybe 91, 95, 180, 165 like. So you can divide by 7 and you can get the remainder, and you can add the number of days after that. I think it is clear to everyone. Thank you.